If I were to ask you what kind of knot this is, many of you guys might say a slip knot. It slides around an object. But you'd be wrong. This is actually a noose knot. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make both a slip knot and a noose knot. Let's get right into it. Let's start with a real slip knot. A slip knot is often used as a stopper, which means that it's a knot to keep it from pulling through some kind of fixture. So in this one, we'll use a washer. Start by making a loop. In the end of the rope, make a bite or a fold, and then put that through our loop. Leave a little bit of this tail end so that it doesn't fall through. We'll pull the standing end to tighten it down. And then when we cinch the knot down against our washer, it doesn't pull through. Now we can just pull this end to undo the knot. Easily tied, easily undone. A noose knot is surprisingly similar. We're going to be basically tying the same steps, but we're going to reverse our rope so that our working end is on the left. Starting with the same steps, make a loop. And then to the right of that, in our standing end this time, we're going to make a bite or fold. Put that down through the loop, and pull your working end to cinch it down. Now our knot slides freely on the standing end of the rope, making a nice adjustable knot. There's many different forms of the noose knot, but this is the simplest version. Hope you guys found this tutorial useful. If you did, be sure to subscribe. We put out a lot of knot tutorials and paracord tutorials twice a week. You can find links to some of those at the end screen and down in the description. If you have other knots that you want to see us go over in a tutorial, let us know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.